Do you want to clear your Snapchat conversation to using your iPhone or Android? No worries. In today's video, you will learn how to clear a particular conversation on the Snapchat app. So let's get started. To do that, open the Snapchat app. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Clear Data. Here you can see so many options like a conversation, data, lines, etc. Now, on particular one, after that, tap on Cross the particular chat. Tap on Clear and your data will be deleted. So, this is how you can clear your conversation on the Snapchat app. Hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button, and if you have any kind of question, then please write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.